Hi guys, Jody here. Today I'm going to be preparing canvases for painting. I just thought I'd show you how I tape up the back and gesso, what gesso I use and all that. So first thing is I use frog tape. I found frog tape to be the best for me. I've tried the blue tape. I don't know if it's Scotch and there's off brands. Just the paint bleeds through, but this frog tape works really well. Just slice it along wherever you want it to end. And I do this on all four sides. Oop, that one is not long enough. Save that for the other side. Voila! I've got another one I'm going to do, but I'll be back when I'm going to gesso. Alright, I'm back and ready to gesso. This is the gesso that I use, the Liquitex Professional. I know there's cheaper ones out there, but this one, I think it works pretty great. You can get away with one coat, but I like to use two just because. I will put links to everything you see in this video down in the description. I just use a sponge brush. You can get these at Michael's or wherever art supply store. First coat for that one. Sometimes I get a little bit too much on there, so I go over it a few times just to get the excess off. All right, I'm gonna let those dry. It usually takes about 10 minutes to dry, and then I'll be back to put the second coat on. All right, I am back for the second coat. And if you get a bit too much on there, you can just keep running your brush over it. I don't like to see any invisible paint lines or gesso lines, because then it'll dry that way and you'll have like a little ridge. All right, that one's good. Forget your sides. See, like that little ridge, what I'm talking about right there, you want to make sure you don't have that, because if it dries with a ridge, well, you're going to have a little ridge in your painting. Alright, that looks good. These are now dry. I usually let the final coat sit about 30 minutes to an hour before I would pour on it. You can do it ahead of time. You can do a bunch the day before, you know, whatever you feel. But before pouring on them, I would at least wait an hour or so just to let both of the layers dry. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.